Explore the exquisite properties in Neoteric Reserve at the Nature Park and indulge in a luxurious lifestyle like no other. Our world-class lifestyle club is the ultimate destination for your parents to kickstart their day with yoga and meditation, while you sweat it out in our state-of-the-art gym and relax in the sauna and steam room. Take a dip in our all-season weather pool. Show off your tennis skills on the world-class 7-layer synthetic coat. Come over for a weekend and savor a delicious dinner at our cafe, followed by a comfortable stay in our cozy rooms. Experience the ultimate in luxury living at Neoteric Reserve.
Neoteric Properties, अपनों के लिए, सपनों के लिए।